Hey, what's up bros and ladies? Welcome to another tutorial of webbrodesign on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the essential roadmap to become a proficient on how to install LAMP and configure your Debian server accordingly. Let's get going and dive into installation. Don't you worry, I will make this as simple as possible to avoid confusion and brain fart. So all of the command I use can be found in the video description to help you follow along with my tutorial. In return, if you learned something, I would appreciate your support by a simple subscription to my channel and by commenting, liking my video. That is all. Enjoy! As always, let's start updating our system. It's crucial to remember that. Type the following to update your server. Once your server updates the necessary files, then ready to move on forward to install the MariaDB server in the client, which will serve as our database host on our server. Once the installation is done, then we do a quick check with the following command system: ctl status MariaDB. This command will allow us to check whether our installation was successful and the server is up and running. As you can see, everything went fine and my installation went without an issue. Securing your MySQL installation is crucial to protect your data and ensure the database is not vulnerable to unauthorized access. The MySQL_secure_ installation script helps you improve the security of your MySQL installation by performing several essential tasks.